Today we will be demonstrating how to use the Select Columns tile in Magic ETL in Domo. This video is one of many helpful tutorials in our Magic ETL playlist. Be sure to check it out after this video to learn more about Domo. The Select Columns tile allows you to select what columns you would like to include, rename, and modify the order of in the output dataset. The first step to utilizing the Select Columns tile is ensuring that you have an input dataset. Without an input dataset, we will have no data to reference and replace. It is always a best practice to name your data flow. Under the Utility Actions section on the left-hand menu of your screen, you will find the Select Columns tile. Drag that tile onto your canvas. Connect your Select Columns tile to your input dataset tile. In today's example, we will be renaming, removing, and reordering our columns. Select the Add All Columns button. Remove the ID column. Now, let's rename the remaining columns to have the prefix ZW. Finally, let's reorder the columns to date, description, income, then expense. Now we will want to create an output dataset for this change to reside. Let's see how this looks in our data. As you can see, we have successfully renamed, removed, and reordered our columns using the Select Column tile. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.